Hello, Professor. My name is Wang Pixin. He is Sun Yichun. Our topic is the Kenya WFP School Meal Plan from the perspective of SDGs. In the global sustainable development process, eradicating poverty and safeguarding children's health and educational rights are core issues. In some impoverished areas of Kenya, the malnutrition rate among children is high and the enrollment rate is low. Passing thrive development challenges the school feeding program implemented by the World Food Program has become a key measure to improve the local situation. From the perspective of the sustainable development goals, we will systematically analyze this program, exploring its value in promoting the development of Kenya children and advancing global sustainable goals, covering dimensions such as background objective, action mode, connections with SDGs, and practical cases. Next, let's delve into our sharing. Project background and objective. Background: the malnutrition rate among children in impoverished areas of Kenya is 32% and the enrollment rate is only 65%. Mission WFP improves children's health and educational conditions through daily feeding. Goal: increases enrollment rate to 85% and reduce malnutrition rate by 25%. Core actions and implementation models. 3 major actions: daily nutritious lunch provided, covering 2,000 schools, training community cooking volunteers, accumulated 5,000 people, establish a local agricultural product procurement chain with local procurement accounting for 70%. Cooperation network led by WFP, supported by the government and involving the community. SDG 1: No poverty. Education. The school meal plan reduces the burden of household food expenses and releases funds for production. Investment purchase local agricultural products directly, drives farmers' income growth and promotes rural economic development. Impact: the average annual food expenditure of households in the target areas decreased by 28% and the annual income of farmers participating in agricultural product supply increased by 420 yuan. Challenge: over relations on external at high risk of funding interruption. The small scale of agriculture in remote areas makes it difficult to meet long-term procurement needs. SDG 2: Zero hunger. Education. Provide stable and nutritionally balanced daily meal for school children, directly solving hunger problems, promote scientific planning techniques, and enhance the community's self-sufficiency in food production. Impact: the incidence of child hunger in the project covered area has decreased by 35% and the food reserve cycle in some communities has been extended by 3 months. Challenge: natural disasters such as droughts impact the supply of agricultural products. Traditional dietary preferences affect meal appetites. SDG 3: Good health and well-being. Association. nutritional improvements enhances children's immunity, reduce the incidence of diseases such as anemia and developmental delay. Popularizes knowledge about health eating, promotes the development of long-term health habits, impact the medical consultation rate for disease caused by malnutrition in children decreased by 22% and cognitive ability test scores increased by 18%. Challenge lack of professional nutrition in schools and insufficient scientific nutrition rations in meals of campus dietary health cannot be granted.
SDG 4 Quality Education Association females attract children to school and reduce the phenomenon of dropping out of school due to hunger. Nutritional empowerment enhances classroom focus and learning outcomes. Impact after the implementation of the project, the enrollment rate increased from 62% to 81%, and the average scores of students improved by 15 points. Challenge: some schools have poor infrastructure and insufficient teaching staff, making it difficult to fully tap into the potential for improving educational quality. SDG 5 Gender Equality Relevance: ensure equal access to food and education opportunities of girls and narrow the gender gap caused by unequal distribution of family resources. Emphasis is placed on female participation in the training of enhance their community discourse power. Impact: the gap between the enrollment rate of girls and boys in the projected area has narrowed by 12%, and the proportion of women participating in community management has increased to 30%. Challenge: the concept of fearing sons over daughters is deeply rooted, and some families still prioritize the protection of boys' rights. SDG 6 Decent Work and Economic Growth Association. The project develops employment opportunities in food procurement, transportation, cooking, and other related fields. The increasing demand of local agriculture products is driving the industrialization of agriculture. Impact: directly creating 350 job opportunity, increasing agricultural product sales by 40%, and promoting the rise of small processing enterprises. Challenge: some positions require high skills and the quality of local labor is insufficient. The sustainability of the industry is questionable after the project is completed. Synergistic effects and theoretical applications. SDG linkage: improved nutrition to increase enrollment rates to economic development. Theoretical application: participatory development theory, community participation in execution, but insufficient participation in decision making. Cases, challenges, and suggestions. Successful case: the enrollment rate in a certain region has increased from 65% to 82%. Core challenges: shortage of funds, fragile supply chain, optimization suggestion, diversify funders, and improve cold chain facilities. Conclusion: The Kenya WFP School Meals Program, with nutritional feeding as its interpoint, has successfully leveraged multidimensional sustainable development and achieved significant results in several SDGs, such as priority education, health, and education. Through multi-party collaboration and community participation, the project not only directly improves children's well-being, but also delivers economic growth and social quality, verifying the synergistic potential between SDGs goals. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your listening.